Hi pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel Michales FPV. Today we're gonna fly in the storm the iFlight Chimera 7 Pro V2 together with the DJI 04 Pro air unit in these stormy winds that we have in the Greek Island of Samos. The last 3 days we have very bad weather, as you see. Still is like this with very wild waves to come in the beach, and I think it's a very good opportunity to see how you handle it. A 7-inch drone to fly with these strong winds. I don't know the speed that they have, but really it's very strong, and we have jets. So I'm very curious to see how we handle it. Usually the 7-inch drones are very good to fly in these winds. As you see all around we have clouds. It's the first day that is not raining, so it's a very good opportunity to make this test. So let's not waste time and let's fly this 7-inch beast. Okay, everything is ready. We have 7 satellites, as you see, up on the right. I have a battery 2200 milliampere, and unfortunately I forgot up to the 04 Pro the ND filter 32, so it will be a little bit dark the video, but I think it will be okay. So let's see, easy how you're gonna handle to fly in these strong winds the Chimera 7 Pro V2 with the DJI 04 Pro air unit. So let's go. Oh my God, I can feel the strength of the wind, the strength of the storm. It's really very windy. You can see how wild is the waves. It's like the attack to the beach. So 4th of January of 2026, I would like to wish to all the pilots that they are in my channel and they support me, Happy New Year, and have safe and happy flights, or happy and safe flights. We are flying to Mikali Beach. It's on the southeast part of the island. The island, it's near to Asia Minor, in the east part of the Aegean Sea. So really, as I see now, the drone, it's flying good with these strong winds. Look, these wonderful wild waves. In the morning we had sunshine, but in a few hours completely changed again the weather, and we have these clouds. So really it was my mistake that I didn't remove the ND filter to put at least ND4 or ND8, and I have the 32, but it's okay. So really it's so beautiful. This beach is really beautiful. Let's fly against the wind. Oh my God. What a waves. Really. Oh. Guys, you cannot imagine how difficult it's to fly in these strong winds, but 7-inch can manage till now really very good. Look, these wonderful wide waves to attack really to the beach. So we fly about 5 minutes now. I think easy. I'm gonna fly for 1 more minute, and I think I will come back, because really it's really risky to fly with these strong winds. You can't see me here. You can see these hotels. You can see me. We're gonna fly against the wind. And these wild waves, they're amazing. Oh God. Okay, as I see, we have 21.4 volts totally, and 3.56 volts per cell. And I think it's easy. It's enough, this beautiful flight that we had. As you see, 7-inch drone like Chimera 7 Pro V2. It's handled really very good in the wind, very strong winds. So that is mean that you can fly really comfortable if you go up to the mountains and you like to dive. So I'm trying to find my land. Oh. Yes. Totally we fly 6 minutes and 54 seconds, maximum speed 104 kilometers per hour, minimum battery it's 21.12 volts. We consume 1678 milliampere. Good, everything good. Let's remove the battery. Guys, what a fly, it was amazing. Sorry if the video it's a little bit dark from the drone. I had the wrong ND filter, is 32, it's tend to have 16 or 4, and yeah, that was my mistake though. So that's why you're gonna see it a little bit dark or with noise, you know, the footage from the drone. So I would like to say that I'm very happy and satisfied this legend of the 7-inch drones, how handled with these strong winds. Really, I love it, and never disappoint me this drone. I feel really safe to fly with that drone. So I think in the next videos I will try to make a long-range test to see how far I can go with this drone. Probably I'm gonna use a Lion battery. I have one that is about 10,000 milliampere, So let's see how far we can go, and maybe we can make also a flight time test, but more safe somewhere for to don't have any accident and to lose this expensive drone, because it's not a cheap. It's with the 04 Pro around 1,000 euros. I don't know in American dollars how much can be. So really I'm very happy. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michalis FPV. Don't forget also to press the little bell for all, to don't lose any new post of video that I will post in my channel. And please write me down what you think about this drone. If you have the Chimera 7 Pro V2 and with the DJI 04 Pro camera, and tell me your experience, what you think about it. And if you don't have it right now, what do you think? You're gonna plan to buy it? Because really, believe me, maybe it's expensive drone, but it's worth it. You're gonna feel really, really safe. So I'm waiting your comments under the video, and please don't forget to like, and one more time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michalis FPV. So from the beautiful island of Samos, Michalis FPV salutes you. So pilots, have happy and safe flights. Bye bye and Happy New Year!